Okay, so here we are. Oh wow. There it goes. This one's a little one. Wow. Where'd it go? There it is. Whoa. And there goes the body again. See that? Can't take those high jumps. Little body. So where does it connect? Well, why is it flipping off?
I can't believe it.
It broke again.
Yeah.
It can't take those high jumps.
Oh, stop it.
So this is it. I caught a big one and that was it.